I want you to build a new relationship with storytelling. For many of us, when we think of powerful storytelling, we think of epic tales told by great storytellers and orators, things that are about major pivotal moments in their lives or in history that changed the course of everything. Now, while that is one aspect of storytelling, a much more relevant aspect in today's world, especially in our professional realm, is the capacity to take meaningful moments in our lives, in a project's life, and be able to convey that in such a way that builds curiosity, excitement, engagement, and trust between us and our audiences. And that is the focus of the Powerful Storytelling course. Together, we look at our mindsets, how we actually speak to ourselves within our minds and build those stories in the first place. Also, then, how we convey that out through not only voice command, but also command of our bodies, so that we're working together with our stories instead of sending mixed signals. And also to give tangible frameworks for how we can begin sharing our stories in a way that builds powerful positive influence, builds trust, all of these different aspects that in today's business world, it's absolutely necessary to stand out above the noise, because our world is busy now. And we can no longer get by on our projects or our ideas speaking for themselves. We need to be able to speak for our ideas. We need to be able to share those things, because behind those projects, there are humans, and it is about building bridges of human connection. So, I want for you to begin thinking of yourself as a powerful storyteller, as one that is able to take the ideas and the projects and concepts that are within your own mind, to not have them get lost in translation, but to be able to speak with ease and confidence as you become a powerful storyteller.